Hi, how are you? First of all, please, it's very important that you help me to continue creating content. Subscribe to the channel, leave your likes and tell me what you think at the end of the video. Wall Street creates army for high-paying cryptocurrencies. The expansion of the Wall Street legions comes after an uncomfortable and sometimes tense relationship with the cryptocurrency. Wall Street leaders turned up their noses when Bitcoin emerged more than a decade ago. Now, they're paying handsome premiums to hire cryptocurrency experts, building an army of enthusiasts within the traditionally sober realm. Some of the largest banks and financial firms have created nearly 1,000 crypto-related posts since 2018, according to Revelio Labs, which collected data through LinkedIn. Among the biggest hires are J.P. Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Goldman Sachs, who have strengthened their ranks as demand for fast-developing virtual currencies soared. The expansion of the Wall Street legions comes after an uncomfortable and sometimes strained relationship with cryptocurrency. Most banks remained aloof as Bitcoin prices soared to new highs and faced frequent declines. Jamie Dimon, CEO of J.P. Morgan, called the coin useless in October, after calling it a fraud in 2017. But behind the scenes, growing global acceptance and customer interest undermines bankers' resistance, prompting companies to bolster research teams and bargaining tables. And, according to recruiters, offering salary increases of up to 50% for roles comparable to attract talent. Institutions can't risk their clients looking to another bank to do these services, so they need to hire them, said Alan Johnson, Managing Director of Compensation Consultancy at Wall Street Johnson Associates. This is a big asset, a big opportunity, and they need people in a hurry. They are willing to pay a lot. Citigroup and Morgan Stanley are also among those who hired, according to Revelio Labs. Most companies declined to comment on data or provide hiring numbers, or did not return requests for comment. Citigroup said in a statement that customers are increasingly interested in cryptocurrencies and that it is monitoring market developments closely in light of factors such as regulation. Elon Musk and the UN director? Musk says he would sell Tesla shares to end world hunger and stock soars. Elon Musk's statement was a response to the UN program director to combat hunger. The valuation of the shares of the car manufacturer Tesla has made its founder, South African Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, and entering into a controversy. Just last week, the director of the World Food Program, WFP, of the United Nations, David Beasley, said that a small help from some of the ultra-rich could solve world hunger. In an interview, Beasley reported that the combination of COVID-19 crises, extreme weather events caused by climate change and political and local issues has made millions of people living between food insecurity and hunger and called for the richest people to unite around the world to help solve the problem. According to the director, $6 billion, equivalent to 2% of Musk's fortune, would already allow 42 million people to have something to eat. Musk responded via Twitter, saying he would sell some of his Tesla shares right now if the UN World Food Program shows how it could end world hunger with $6 billion, provided it is open source, so that the audience sees exactly how the money is spent. Through Twitter itself, Beasley responded that the agency has open source accounting and transparency systems, and informed that Musk's team could assess and work together with the PMA so that they have full confidence in the data. As a result of the controversy, Tesla's shares rose even more. The paper had an appreciation of 8.48% this Monday. The company's shares have already appreciated more than 59% since the beginning of last month and around 130% in the last 12 months. From January 2017 until now it has been an appreciation of 748%. $1 trillion man. Last week, electric vehicle giant Tesla hit the all-time milestone of $1 trillion in market value. The escalation came after the Hertz car rental company announced a purchase order for 100,000 Tesla cars by the end of 2022, on Monday, 25. With the valuation, Tesla joined a select group of companies whose market value is at least one number accompanied by 12 zeros on the right. Also part of the club is Alphabet, Google's holding, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft and Facebook, now called Meta. It is not by chance that all these companies also have very famous and, in some cases, controversial founders. With Elon Musk, founder and CEO of Tesla, it's no different. The South African businessman who saw his net worth rise by $36 billion on Monday and placed him in the position of the richest person in the world, with a fortune estimated at $289 billion or our $1.6 billion in the exchange rate of today, usually provides its more than 61 million Twitter followers with cryptic messages, information and even investment tips. Other Musk controversies. On September 30th, users discovered that someone had purchased 6 trillion units of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, valued at $43.8 million. Shortly after, Tesla CEO, TSLA34, Elon Musk, posted on Twitter a photo of a Shiba Inu dog, symbol of the cryptocurrency. The tweet was interpreted as a buy signal followed by the community and served as a catalyst for a bullish movement that turned those 6 trillion units into a profit of more than $150 million. In September 2018, Musk, also on Twitter, wrote that he had secured resources to take the company public. As the information moved the market, Musk was investigated by the SEC, the regulator of the U.S. capital market, and risked being removed as CEO. Shortly after closing a deal to pay a multi-million-dollar fine, Musk said he wasn't sorry and that he had no respect for the SEC. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel and comment below what you think. See you next time.